In this video I will show you how to start with sets. The sets are very similar to the dictionaries, limited by curly brackets. But with the sets you can now be sure in which order the items will appear. It's also important to mention that you can now modify the items. You can see here how the order of the items have changed. With this function you can check if an item is present or not in the code using int or int not. You need to create and define a variable, and using the number 2 to distinguish between letters. As I mentioned before, if you want to know if some item is present in the code, you need to use the function int. As a result, the code will be executed answering true or false. You need to be careful using this function, because if you misspell the word, you will not have the correct result. If you want to check if an item is not present in the code, you need to write not and later int. Sets can now have two items with the same value, and using 2 times lowercase letter s. As a result, you will see that the item that already exists is present only one time. When the set is created, you can now change it, but don't worry, you can add always new items. You only need to use the add function and specify what item you want to add. And remember, we have this result because the order is random in the sets. Using this function you can add new items from another set. And if an item is present in both sets, only one will appear. Because remember that the duplication is not allowed. As a result, you have here the new items. As the name indicates, with this function you can copy a set. In this case I'm using the letter X, but you can use other letter or other word. To determine how many items a set has, you only need to use the length function. If you repeat the same item 2 times, the function will count it only one time.